Okay, we have a little visitor on the hood of Daddy's truck today. Peck, 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 peck. Peck, 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 peck.
Gobble, gobble.
So, do I put the windshield wipers on? Here, Chris, hold the camera while I try to back us out of here. We'll go to school with a chicken on our roof.
Yeah, that ought to be cool. And we are still backing up. We are backing up.
Hang on, buddy. We're gonna drop you off at Angela's house.
We should send this in. We should send this into AFV.
We should.
Okay, we seriously need to get them off.
Yeah.
Put the windshield wipers on. Put the wipers on.
Rose, come here. Look at what we got. There's a chicken on the hood of our truck and we can't get him off. There's a live chicken and we can't get him off. Yes. I don't know. If he poops on me, I'm gonna be mad.
Mom, I think we know what we're having for dinner.
We don't want him to get in.
Peck, 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 peck.